Hello everybody, nice to have you here. This is Amir Rodriguez, and today I want to show you how to extract a single number from a text in Microsoft Excel. It could be an integer or a decimal number, and I'm going to use Flash Fill to accomplish this task and demonstrate its strengths and weakness. So let's get started. So here we have our first sentences. The company sold 125 laps in a single day. We have one number here, and in column A we have 10 sentences just like that, and we want to extract the numbers to column B using Flash Fill, and for that we need to enter the numbers manually. Initially 125, -8, and 42.7, and then we click on data and click on Flash Fill or Control E, and then as you see we have got error because Flash Fill has failed to recognize the pattern. So we have to undo the process and enter 2.5 and then try again to using Flash Fill, and then we got the correct answer as you see. So as you saw, Flash Fill uses pattern recognition to fill the rest of the column, and it can make mistakes, so you have to be very cautious when using it. And I think it's better to use it when your data has a consistent pattern, and use other methods when your data isn't that need to have such a consistent pattern. And in the next video, you're gonna learn how to extract multiple numbers from a text string. By the way, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it and hit the bell to get notifications. And don't forget, commenting is your right, completely free and out of charge. Till the next video, have a good time, keep going, and be positive. See you soon.